Hello, engineers. So this is Engineer Jivan Aiko Kalaki and I welcome you here at Review Excellence and Tutorial Channel. Sa araw na to, ang tatalakayin natin is all about basic principles of electricity atomic structures. So this is episode 1 of our EE series. So without further ado, let's proceed with our discussion. So with calculator techniques using CARC KC S991. Okay, let's start. So, first topic natin is atoms. So, what is atoms? So, atoms is the smallest unit of matter that forms a chemical element and cannot be divided. So, ito, lahat daw ng matter is made up of atoms. And these atoms are indivisible and indestructible in natures. So, the concept of atoms was first proposed by ancient Greek and Indian philosophers around 400 BC. But the full scope of the atomic principles was further developed by scientists like John Dalton, G.G. Thomson, Ernest Rutherford, and Niels Bohr. Okay, so let's proceed with the atomic structure. So atomic structure is the structure of an atom that consists of a nucleus at the center containing neutrons and protons, while electrons revolve around the nucleus. So para mas maintindihan natin, so let's have our illustration. So this is our atomic structure. At sa gitna nito is meron tayong tinatawag na nucleus. Inside that nucleus is made up of the positive charge which is called protons and the neutral or zero charge particle which is called neutrons. And revolving around that nucleus is what we call the electrons or the negatively charged particle. So the particles of an atom. So we have three particles of an atom or the basic particles of an atom. So we have protons, neutrons, and electrons. So iisa-isahin po natin sila. So protons is a positively charged particle of an atom which has a charge of +1 elementary charge unit. So protons was discovered by German physicist Eugen Goldstein during the study of anode rays or canal rays. Proton was named by Ernest Rutherford in 1917. Next is the neutron. So neutron is the neutral charge particle or zero charge particle of an atom. So neutrons was discovered by James Chadwick in 1932. And last but not the least is electrons. So electrons is a negatively charged particle of an atom which has a charge of -1 elementary charge unit. So electrons was discovered by Joseph John Thomson in 1897. So charge and mass of an atomic particles. So we have proton, neutrons, and electrons. For the elementary charge unit, para sa proton is we have +1, sa neutron naman is 0, and sa electron naman is -1 elementary charge unit. And in charge in coulombs, so for proton is we have +1.602 times 10 to the power of -19. And for neutron is we have 0. And electrons is we have -1.602 times 10 to the power of -19. And then for the mass in kilograms, for proton naman is we have 1.672 times 10 to the power of -27. And for neutron is 1.674 times 10 to the power of -27. And for electrons is we have 9.109 times 10 to the power of -31. So para hindi na po tayo mahirapan sa pag-memorize ng or pag-memorize ng mga values na ito is we have calculator techniques. Okay. So we will use Carsey Kisi S991 calculator. So for the charge of proton, so let's enter shift 7, 2, 3, and equal. Okay, subukan po natin. So that is shift 7, 2, 3, and then equal. So we have 1.602 times 10 to the power of negative 19. So ito po yung value na to. For the charge of electron, so enter lang po natin yung negative, shift 7, 23, equal. So let's simulate with our calculator. Shifts negative, shift 7, negative shift 7, 2, 3, equal. So we have 1.602 times 10 to the power of negative 19. So ito po yung value na to. Okay, tapos na po tayo sa charge in columns. So let's proceed with the mass in kilograms. For the mass of proton, enter lang po natin yung shift 7, 01, and then equal. So shift 7, shift 7, 01, and then equal. So we have 1.672 times 10 to the power of negative 27. So ito po yung value na to. And for the mass of neutron, enter lang po natin yung shift 7, tapos 02, equal. Shift 7, shift 7, 02, and then equal. So we have 1.674 times 10 to the power of negative 27. And last but not the least is for the mass of electron rather. So this is mass of electron. Ulitin lang po natin. So for the mass of electron, so let's enter shift 7, 03, and then equal. Shift 7, shift 7, 03, tapos equal. So we have 9.109 times 10 to the power of negative 31. At dito na magtatapos ang ating discussion. I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na ito at makatulong sa inyong preparasyon para sa board exam. Para sa mga aspiring board exam takers at sa mga quizzes and exam para sa mga college students. Once again, this is Engineer Jivan Aiko Kalaki. Maraming salamat sa panonood. See you and God bless. Okay na to.